It looks like a masterpiece. But every Escalade-V begins as thousands of individual parts. And before it ever touches the road, precision has to shape every single component. Behind that imposing exterior is the heart of the Escalade-V, a high-performance V8 engineered for serious power. Before the luxury takes shape, the foundation has to be built with absolute precision. Panel by panel, the shape of the Escalade-V begins to emerge. The hoe. Once the structure is complete, the body receives the finish that will define its character.
Inside, precision gives way to craftsmanship onman, where every surface is designed to feel as refined as it looks.
Then the final performance hardware begins to connect the machine to the road.
Piece by piece, the machine is finally complete. Now, every system has to prove it belongs on the road.
But to understand how this machine comes together, we have to go back to the very beginning.
Behind every finished Escalade-V is a production facility built around precision, scale, and thousands of carefully coordinated operations.
And inside, the scale of the operation becomes clear.
Multiple vehicles move through the same carefully controlled process, each one following a precise sequence from structure to finished machine.
Every build begins with carefully prepared materials, ready to be shaped into precise body components.
Computer-controlled cutting turns flat sheets into precisely defined components, where even small dimensional errors can affect the final assembly. Under immense controlled force, these flat sheets are formed into the complex curves and surfaces of the vehicle.
Once formed, each panel is checked before it earns a place in the vehicle's body. Before the final color is applied, every surface has to be smooth enough to reflect it perfectly.